When people think about homesteading or permaculture, they often picture gardens, solar panels, or off-grid cabins. But there is another essential part of the equation: the animals. They are not just cute faces, though they are that too. They are workers, companions, and key players in creating a truly sustainable system. On my homestead, I raise ducks, geese, chickens, rabbits, dogs, cats, and even a donkey. And let me tell you, each one brings something unique to the land, the ecosystem, and my life. Today, I want to share how these animals contribute to permaculture, self-sufficiency, and why they might just be the missing piece in your homestead dream. Part 1. The feathered team: ducks, geese, and chickens. Ducks, the slug slayers. Ducks are my favorite permaculture partners. Why? Because they love pests. Slugs, snails, mosquitoes. They'll clear them out without damaging your garden like chickens might. Plus, their manure is fantastic fertilizer. And let's not forget, dog eggs are rich, creamy, and perfect for baking. They also don't scratch up the soil as much as chickens, making them ideal for orchard or vegetables areas. Just give them a small pond or even a kiddie pool and they are happy. Geese, the lawnmower and guardians. Geese are the unrated workhorses of the homestead. They are amazing grazers. They'll keep your grass short without needing a tractor. And unlike dogs, they are very vocal. That makes them excellent watchdogs. They'll honk loudly at anything suspicious, from foxes to strangers. Plus, goose eggs are huge and delicious, and their down is incredible warm for bedding or clothing. Chickens, the compost queens. Chickens are the gateway animal for most homesteaders, and for good reason. They provide eggs, meat, and endless entertainment. But in permaculture system, they do so much more. I let them till and fertilize my garden beds before planting. They eat weeds, bugs, and even small rodents. And their manure? Gold for compost. Just let it age a bit before using it directly on plants. And let's not forget, chickens teach you about cycles, from hatching eggs to processing old hens for stew. They remember us, the real food comes from real work. Part 2. The furry crow. Rabbits, dogs, and cats. Rabbits, the quiet protein machines. Rabbits are one of the most efficient homestead animals. They reproduce quickly, require a little space, and their manure is cold, meaning you can put directly on plants without composting. Plus, rabbit meat is lean, healthy, and easy to raise even in smaller areas. They eat weeds and kitchen scraps, and they are dropping enrich the soil below. Zero waste, maximum benefit. Dogs, the protectors and companions. A homestead dog isn't just a pet, it's a working member of the team. My dogs guard the livestock from predators, alert me to intruders, human or animal, and even help herd the ducks and geese when they need it. But beyond their jobs, they bring something priceless: unconditional love. After a long day of work, there is nothing like a dog wagging its tail at the door, reminding you why this life is worth it. Cats, the rodent assassins. If you have grain, hay, or food stash, you need a good barn cat. Mice and rats can destroy a homestead supply in no time. My cats earn their keep by keeping the rodent population in check, naturally without poisons or traps. And like dogs, they offer companionship. There is something magical about a cat curling up next to your wood stove after a cool day outside. Part 3. The donkey, the gentle guardian. Now, let's talk about my donkey. At first, I got him just because I love donkeys, but he's quickly become one of the most valued animals on the farm. Donkeys are fantastic guardians against coyotes, stray dogs, and even foxes. They are naturally protective and will chew off trees. Plus, they are great for hauling firewood, plowing small areas, or even giving kids readers. And their braying, it's soundtrack of my mornings, a reminder that his life is anything but ordinary. Part 4. Permaculture Synergy. How animals complete the system. Permaculture isn't just about plants. It's about creating a web of relationships where everything supports everything else. And animals are a huge part of that. Here is how it works of my homestead. Chicken and dogs control pests and fertilize the soil. Geese manage grass and alert me to dangers. Rabbits provide meat and instant compost. Dogs and donkeys protect the other animals. Cats keep the food storage safe. Together, they create a balanced, low-maintenance system where each creator has a role. And the best part? The more you observe and work with their instincts, the less you have to do. Why this life is worth it? Some people ask me, isn't a lot of work? Yes, it is, but it's meaningful work. Every egg collected, every rabbit feed, every donkey brayed at sunrise, it's a life filled with purpose. If you are dreaming of homestead but feel overwhelmed, start small. Maybe just a few chickens or rabbits. Learn as you go. The animals will teach you. The land will guide you. And one day, we look around and realize you have built a life most people only dream of. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What animals do you have on your homestead? Share in the comments. Let's learn from each other. And if you like this video, hit subscribe for more on permaculture, animal husbandry, and the messy, beautiful journey of homesteading. See you to the next one. I'm Alex, your host, and all the best. Papa.